Recently, we celebrated our daughter's first birthday, and it has been such an unforgettable birthday with friends joining us for this important as well as memorable milestone. We also wanted to keep this well within our budget without compromising on the quality of food as well as the decor. And in today's video, I will break down and share 12 tips for planning a birthday on an affordable budget while it is still fresh in my mind. Hi all, this is Gopi. I keep sharing such important topics which are tried and tested, and that's why my channel name is Canada Tried and Tested. So in case you are new to my channel, kindly like and subscribe so that you keep getting all my future videos. You can also comment if you want any detailed video on topic of your interest, and I will surely try to make it easy. So without wasting time, let me share with you how it all started. Number 1, creating a guest list. I started creating guest list much in advance so that we don't miss out anyone for this joyous occasion. When I was creating the list, I knew that I had about 40 headcount, which also included children. I have hosted many parties in past, and as a thumb rule, I know that not everyone will be able to make it. So I factor about 75% attendance. Now, one more tip is that if you are in Canada and birthday is happening in summer, plan event in advance. As many book their weekend schedule. So coming to number 2, planning around baby schedule. We wanted to make sure that we select a time when our daughter is not fussy and tired. She is mostly active between 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. So we had two options, either afternoon or evening. Now, since we also had guests who would have to commute for more than 1 hour and then they have to get back home in the evening, can be a challenge. So considering the sweet spot, the timing we chose had to be around afternoon, and that gives adequate time for baby to enjoy and relax during rest of the day. So it also gives opportunity for guests to get back home in time, right? Coming to number 3, booking venue. Now we had two options, either to host indoor or host outdoor. Firstly, we were late to book outdoor venue. So this is one learning we had. Like park gets booked month in advance. Also, when we looked at the weather app, it showed high probability of rain. So we completely dropped the idea to find outdoor venue elsewhere. Now with indoor, our home is too small to host this bigger party. So we booked a party venue in our condo unit. We had to pay a very nominal fee, which included deposit of money. Our event venue had a fully functional kitchenette like microwave, electric stove, table, chair, washroom. So many of the things were already taken care. Also, this place had a billiard and snooker table to keep our guests busy. Now coming to number 4 was to send invitation. Once the guest list and party venue were firm, the next step was to get e-invitation ready. For this I used Canva, which is a free tool, took some design inspiration and created a personal touch with a photo of the star of event. The invitation had all the important detail like what time it starts, what time it ends, venue address with the link to Google Map, where to park vehicle, how to enter the venue. And we also made sure that guests knew that we are also hosting lunch, no guesswork. While the e-invite was sent 10 days in advance, I made sure my guests were informed at least 1 month in advance. So sending e-invite on WhatsApp ensured that no one forgets the date for the event. Coming to number 5, that is choosing a birthday party theme. In our case, frankly speaking, we did not have any party theme in mind. All we wanted was to give good food and fun time to guests who are coming. While we did not plan any party theme, unconsciously everything around us started to turn pink, and we realized that the party theme was pink. We got some birthday props for kids as well as adults, but that never got used. One more thing, while planning, we ensured that it's baby friendly environment, like there are no sharp corners, anything which my daughter or any other kid coming shouldn't be able to put in mouth. Cutlery, crockery were eco-friendly as well as disposable ones, and our friends gave us this 12 months banner on which we got photos printed and pasted. I bought standees to hold decorations, and this was purchased on Amazon. Now coming to number 6, shopping for birthday decoration. We actually did not stress out much. We bought this from Amazon, from Dollarama. We bought these items, and I will also give a list so that you can download and plan your birthday. Most of the items what we were buying, I was just making sure that these are looking good on camera. Number 7, ordering cake and food. Now, before ordering cake and food, we knew that some of our friends are pure vegetarians, some eat halal food, and luckily none of them had dietary restrictions. So while we were ordering cake, we made sure that we order a eggless cake which can be catered to 30 people. I don't believe in wasting food, so I did not want to go for any additional cake for smashing, which is sometimes fun for kids. So that's about cake. When it comes to snacks, we got variety of chips, fruit, juices and Coke from Walmart, which is at a very convenient distance from where I stay, and just made sure that none of the items what we are buying is a choking hazard. Now for the food, we did spend some time to know where to get food. For us, Indian food is very important. Based on recommendations of one of our friends, we ordered food with tandoori flames for a head count of 30. Here is the list of menu. In Canada, usually restaurants don't deliver, so one has to collect the order. Here we took help of one of our friend who helped us to pick the entire catering order. The restaurant had packed food in a pallet which is very convenient to store and carry. The cake which we had ordered, we took the delivery one day in advance in the evening, so that next day we can keep free to collect the food at least 40 minutes in advance. Number 8, songs and ambience. We selected few birthday song as well as soft musical instrument playlist so that it keeps the party going. Coming to number 9, that is return gifts for the kids. We had about 5 kids for the event and the rest were adults. So for the kids, we bought return gift from Dollarama, knowing what their age is. Coming to number 10, what to do with the remaining food. We had ordered for 30 head count, but only half of it got consumed. Still we were left with almost 15 head count food. So one of our friend, he quickly got Ziploc from Walmart, in which we could distribute food to our guests who were staying longer. Now this Ziploc, they were put in these boxes and given to them. This ensured that there is no wastage of food, and those traveling long distance did not have to think about evening dinner. And at last, number 11, waste collection as well as cleaning of venue. Guests were shown in advance where the garbage bins are, washroom and essential places, so that they feel comfortable. And after usage of crockery and cutlery, everything was dropped into garbage bag, and immediately after the event it was disposed. Now coming to number 12, picture and videos. For this I had to check the spot which is well lit with natural light and staged party table accordingly. Camera was already placed on the stand, and my camera has feature where it automatically captures when somebody does hand gesture, it would activate, and that way it could capture every moment. Now coming to overall budget breakdown, we got cake from Laser which costed about this much, food from Tandoori Flame which costed this much, from Dollarama decoration items, return gift, disposable plate, crockery, cutlery. We spent overall what you see on the screen. We picked snacks from Walmart which cost us overall what you see on the screen, and overall spend was only what you see on the screen. And I feel that this is a comfortable budget what we hosted party for. So that's it friends, hope you liked today's video. Do let me know if you have any questions by dropping a comment. I'll surely respond. Don't forget to subscribe and share, as sharing is caring. Do check out my website where I have organized everything in order for you to find the information quickly. Thanks for watching Canada Tried and Tested.